shrimp.
And shrimp, guys. See, we got breadfruit that frying our pot over here, so too, guys. So now must look at that. That natural. And we got some fried fish here, guys. Look at that. Festival, plant, and sweet potato, fried chicken. What? I missed the fried chicken. Just like that. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Just remember to please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. We on an event, guys. It's not your normal event that Jamaican Shore Fishing normally do, but for this event, I am going to do a quick video, quick 15-minute video, and I hope you guys enjoy this because this is not something I normally do. I did go fishing today. I did hook onto something big, but stay tuned for the video. I'm not even going to tell you that part. That's what's up. Alright, guys, so big up yourself. Stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. This is what's up. We're here at a fish fry today, and we got some wonderful food. I just ate. My stomach is full. Look at all this. Got festival and plantains and sweet potatoes, bammies, all of that stuff, guys. Fried chicken. What? I missed the fried chicken. Yeah, we coming back. We coming back. We got some fried fish here, guys. Look at that. Real Jamaican recipe, guys. Want you check out this, and then we have the soup. Guys, no party in Jamaica is complete without the soup pot. So now must look at that. That me I try to tell them, guys. And we have the veggies them too, guys. And we dig up in that so look while and stuff. Yo guys, pay we no mind, we eat off all of that look while. Nice. That's why it's so nice. We got breadfruit that frying our pot over here, so too, guys. And what? If you like Trenton lovers like myself, yo, yeah. That is it. Pat, me hear Patrick ball out round us, so. Patrick ball out round us, look a while, guys. Because when you hear Trenton in ball out, look at this. And the baby is here, guys. Goat. I tell you guys, that is it. So definitely Jamaican Shore Fishing. Stay tuned, guys. We're there up on the fish fry. I'll show you guys look a bit more than I look a bit. And yo, we have all the rice and peas too, you know. No Jamaican dish not complete without the rice and peas. So this is what's up, guys. Local event, local vibes, and rah! All the lobster.
Shrimp.
And shrimp, guys. Seafood galore, guys. Definitely check it out. So stay tuned, guys. We're there. Look a bit. We are B2 Juicy, and we're gonna chill out on my friend ends, and we're doing a little fish fry cookout, waiting for a few more people to come in. So this is what I'm gonna take you around to the poolside, show you guys the pool and thing. Bridging got a nice little pool with a hillside view. Trust me, at this a place you want, you have an Airbnb if you come to. Trust me. Right, outside. Remember I told you that I was gonna show you a little bit of special event. So yeah, the pool. So check it out. Not only the pool, but we're sitting on the most astonishing view. Look at that, guys. Look at them hills. That's what's up. All these lush greenery, tropical climate, Jamaica. Just living up the life, guys. Just like that. Yeah? Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Stay tuned. I just drank a soup a while ago. Look like that. Look like this man take off his socks and water boot and throw in it. So, a socks and water boot throw in soup. Look yeah, that's why I have to put him on video, people. I never want to do it, but I put him on video now. And him out here. And you want to tell the viewers them where you're throwing soup because I think say a socks and water boot.
Tell the viewers. Yeah, man, a socks and water boot.
Yes, people. So. Yeah, soup was very good, guys. That's just a saying in Jamaica. When the soup good, you tell a man throwing water boot tonight. And
yeah,
you know,
when me cook soup still, you know. And me and my sister tell me, say, how are you doing a bush, man? Come out of the bush, man. Come from the front, come cook. Yeah, man, I say, man, anywhere me go,
it tastes good.
I cook the soup, man. Ready, man. Me go to Portland, you know. I cook soup with my sister. And I'm alone. Him never did come. Cause, you know, and me and my brother and our next youth. Them there no cooker. And me alone. And I tell you, man, so when time girl put me jar of soup, they say no. They say one soup man there, but it can't touch none at all. They say the girl put me say what? They say a soup you have to breathe.
Breathe no man.
Make bikini. Where you say? That's right.
Man, anyway.
See, man, I'm there so same way, guys. This man there so I make the soup same way, and yo, you see that in water boot missing. So I go on, guys. That is it. So we're there, so guys, out my ends and Jamaican shore fishing. We're there, not your normal content. Here we go on, guys. Came to the end of this video. Dip on my hands. We have 2 drinks and Ray. And Tanya laugh after me. You hear the local eagles in the background, guys. Come and know so then Mike can pick up clear. So, we're there, I line up. Chef and I get my food together from the go. And we're getting ready to go. We're not going to stay till the late night party tonight because you don't know we have a distance to go back.
Alright, General.
You know what I go on. General and them there, so them I line up some food. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna do a local gravy.
This is man to man.
Damn. What are you making?
Steamed fish.
Oh damn, steamed fish. Yo, bro. This is what's up. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys now. I want to stay a little bit longer, but I gotta get back to Mobe, get back to Laurie, and leave all this good food. I got some already though. I got some food I ate and everything, and we good. But we're there, and friends. And she's here, they just run up the thing, and we don't know. Oh, hold on, alright, sure. Yep. So, this is what's up guys, don't worry, I can take care of that. Video. So, chef's here, he's doing this thing. Yeah man, definitely some gravy bro. And some veggies and, you know, ropes. So, he's lined up a plate for me to go. So, we're getting some food ready guys. That's what's up.
Alright.
Yeah man, that good man, and some veggies and we're good to go. So, we're getting roll out. Me and P. Taking care of our bill guys for the fish fry. Our friend's fish fry. You know some people keep fish fry in Jamaica guys. You have to support the thing. Pop up, show up, and drop in and go to the you see me? So, we're doing our thing and we're heading out. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. I'll show you some of the journey going on. Fish, there you go. Just like that. Jamaican Shore Fishing. I wanted to end this video a while ago, but I couldn't end it how I wanted to end it. Chef, I put in water boat tonight again. So, yeah. So the pot of steam, they make a special. Look here. Just like that, guys. Yeah, man. We have to do thing, pal. Original wood fire type deal, coal fire. You see me guys? So with this I do thing. We'll have a nice fish pan here, so I go on the steam and steam him up to somebody and get it ready. So like I said guys, we group up and we out and we heading home. That's it. We're done. We're getting our food already and we are roll. I might just take a cup of soup to go and we out guys. Alright? Just like that.